My project is on a tool called Biteslide. Biteslide is an online tool that allows students and teachers to make engaging presentations online. The required system is an Adobe Flash Player 10 or greater, which most computers already have. Here is a link to download Biteslide. When you go to the link, it will take you to the page where you can make an account. Biteslide is free to all teachers. They can add up to 30 students in one project at a time. The students can add as many slides as needed. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: visually appealing, makes group work fun and easy to share with class. Cons: it takes a while to understand, it is not a necessary tool, can only have one person on it at a time. Other reviews on Biteslide. It is an easy and fun way for students to create individual projects as well as group projects. The bad side is that the Biteslide is as educationally enriching as the students make it. Here is a video on how to use Biteslide.
Biteslide is a poster maker that teachers can sign up for. You sign up for an account and just click on register, and then you can register as a teacher. After you register as a teacher, you will get a class code, and then your students, when they register, they'll put in that class code and they'll pick a username and password. So as the teacher, you create a project. You can only create one project, but then your kids can add as many slide books as they would like into that project. So I created this project just called 2013-2014, and then I made a sample slide book to go in that project. And when you have your kids make their slide books, it's probably a good idea to have them put their name on them. So here's a sample slide book I made. You can add pictures, you can add clip art, you can add words, just whatever you would like to add onto the poster. Then if your kids want to embed it into, if they have a blog or a web page, they can embed it, but they don't have to. You will see all the projects that they have made on your account. So when your students log in, they will able to see their dashboard, and they can see the project that you have already made, and then they can add their slide book to it. So to add a slide book, they just go to add slide book, and they will title it. This is where you might want to have them put their name. So John is doing this one, you do that, and then he'll choose the project. Like I said, you can only create one project, and you have 30 students, which can create slide books on that project. You could create you're going to choose the style that you want for their slide book. I can choose none. I can just make it their own. That's what I'm going to do right now. Then they get a whiteboard and a blank whiteboard. And here's where they can add text. They can choose the style, they can choose the color of their text, they can choose the background color that they would like. They can add extras. When you click on extras, if you click on each of those icons, it gives them all kinds of backgrounds to choose from, borders, and then little clip art things that they can add to the stickers that they can add to their poster. They just click on the one that they want, and then they just drag it over into their library. They can also search for images in Google, but they can also add to their poster. They can add multiple slides. If they click on add another slide, it just adds another slide, and they can create a second slide to their collection. Then when they're finished, they can click download. And then they can take a location since they're logged into their U drive, they can save it to their U drive. If you would like them to collaborate on one of these Biteslide, they can add students from their class to work on it with them. So if you click on editors, and they can add the username of somebody in their class, and it will add them as an editor, and they can both work on the project together. So those are the basics of Biteslide. Hope you can use that in your classroom with your students.
Here are some ways that you can use Biteslides in different classes. Biteslide with business class. Students can present their business ideas and proposals on Biteslide. Biteslide with art. Students in art classes can make a portfolio showcasing their artwork. Biteslide with math. Teachers can make word problems more appealing and easier to learn by adding pictures to Biteslide projects. Here is a helpful link that will show you all the things that you can do on Biteslide. When you click on the link, you will go to the Biteslide About page, which can help you answer any questions that you have. And that is the end of my presentation on Biteslide.